Okay, here's another horseshoe project I've done tonight. The wood here is some really old fence wood that we've had on our property for years. I'm really not sure what kind of wood this is. It's got a reddish tint to it. The people that used to live here was from California, so I don't know if it's some wood that they brought in from there, but it's super old and it's pretty resilient weather-wise. And this barbed wire at the top is from our family. It's probably over 100 or at least 100 years old. And then the horseshoes, it's a hat rack. Anyway, another horseshoe project. Hope you like it.